Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day kind of seems to me to be one of the most depressing holidays ever. Not Christmas or anything, like if you aren't with family or anything, but Valentine's Day. It really makes you think about how, oh wow, I'm single. Oh wow, I wonder if anyone is interested in me. Doubt it. And so it just kind of, and then you see all the happy people who are, oh, I have a boyfriend, we're going to go out to dinner and go to the movies, and we're just going to have a jolly good old time. And here I'm stuck at home eating a box of chocolates that my mom gave me. Oh, God. I probably ran into 3 people who were having a good Valentine's Day. Yeah. Happy Valentine's Day, people. Another thing that I noticed is that mainly the majority of holidays, actually all of them, I can't think of one holiday that doesn't have it. There's always some sort of beginning to, like, Valentine's Day. It's like, Happy Valentine's Day, Happy Halloween, Merry Christmas. What if it's not happy? What if you don't want to be happy? What if it's just a sad time for you and everyone's like, Happy Valentine's Day, Happy Halloween, Merry Christmas. What if you're not happy? And then it makes you think, and you're like, wow, I'm depressed. Okay, so I don't shop online or anything, but I went to Converse.com. Oh my god, people. OMG. OHEMGEE. OMG. Wow. I found the shoes of my freaking dreams. Of my dreams, people. And I'm going to show you a picture of them right now. So, I have a theory for people to ponder about. And this is where and how I came up with it. Emos should listen to old country western music. You say? How did you think that one up, Olivia? Well, my dad, he got our record player fixed, and we have tons and tons and tons of records between my mom and him. And he started listening to some of the stuff that he used to listen to, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so depressing. It's just like, man, how do people listen to this crap all day? I'm not a very big country fan, but I'll listen to it occasionally, like with my mom and stuff, and I won't mind it. But the older country stuff, I'm like, it's very depressing. And emos, the majority, I'm not generalizing. Okay, I kind of am. Just shut it. Yeah. The majority of emo type music is very depressing, and I'm thinking, hey, why don't they just go listen to that stuff? Oh, she left me today. I got so drunk, I fell off the bar stool. I'm gonna stop singing now, because I got a sore throat. Yeah. One more theory for YouTube. Women should be asexual. And I'm not gonna explain that one. I have 2 new things for my videos that I'm gonna be doing every single time I put up a new video. I'm going to be doing Artist of the Week, and we're going to be playing a song from that artist, so they can get a little bit more exposure. Exposure. That's a new word. Exposure, people! Exposure. A little bit more exposure. Exposure! This Artist of the Week is Stephen Marley. He is one of Bob Marley's many sons. I love this song. It's called Hey Baby, and it really makes me just relax, and I can listen to it anytime, basically. And then I'm going to have Movie of the Week, Movie of the Week, Movie of the Week, Movie of the Week, Movie of the Week. And this week's Movie of the Week is Rocky Horror Picture Show. This is a movie from the early 80s. This movie is basically about transvestites running around in lingerie.
He's just a little brought down because when you knocked, he thought you were the candy man. Don't get strung up by the way I look. Don't judge a book by its cover. I'm not much of a man by the light of day, but by night I'm one hell of a lover. I'm just a sweet transvestite from transsexual Transylvania.